If you think someone is having an opioid overdose, give naloxone as it can temporarily reverse the effects. You can save a life. Here's how. First, call 911 or your local emergency number. Next, give naloxone, even if you're unsure if the person is having an overdose. It's safe, doesn't cause harm, and can save a life. In Canada, there are 2 ways to administer naloxone: nasal spray and injectable. How to give naloxone nasal spray. Put on gloves. Open the package and put your thumb on the plunger, but don't press yet, it's only 1 dose. Tilt the head back and put the nozzle into 1 nostril. Press the plunger all the way to give all the medicine. How to give injectable naloxone. Put on gloves. Open the syringe package. If you have a pre-filled syringe, take off the cap. If the naloxone in your kit is stored in a vial or ampule, you will need to fill the syringe. Remove or snap the cap from the vial or ampule to open it. Place the needle into the medicine to slowly draw it into the syringe. Point the needle upwards and gently press the plunger to release any extra air bubbles. Hold the syringe at a 90-degree angle and insert quickly into a large muscle, like the upper arm or thigh. Push the plunger all the way down to give all of the medicine. You can even insert it through clothing. Toss the used syringe and ampule or vial in a rigid container, or ask emergency personnel to dispose of it when they arrive. Naloxone begins to work within 2 minutes. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the person to respond. If there is no response, it's safe to give another dose if you have it. While you wait, move the person on their side with their top knee bent. Naloxone is active in the body for 30 to 120 minutes, but the effects of opioids can last longer and the overdose can come back. Stay with a person until emergency services arrive, even if they seem better. Learn more at Canada.ca/opioids. Together, we can stop overdoses.